Hi everyone, this is our Alphabet Date series part 1 starting with letter A. To start, from our place, we rode a bus going to Wanayala, then an EDSA carousel going to MOA. For our lunch, nag-crave si Jello's classic savory and in-order namin yung combo meal 1 for 2 and grabe, sobrang nabusog talaga kami as in. We got our first A in this date unexpectedly from Avocadoria. Nag-crave lang kami ng dessert. Maybe it's not for everyone pero nagustuhan namin talaga siya and lasang-lasa mo yung avocado na masarap and hindi siya ganun katamis.
Pumunta sa Watsons, hindi sa makeup para sa tubig.
And then we went to arcade. Sa halagang 250 pesos, meron kaming 300 tokens pang laro. And dito, nag-enjoy si Jello sa basketball habang ako nag-enjoy ako dun sa flying jet na may barilan.
Kumaka lang pala. Yung cellphone ko.
We had more 4D game experience like this one and nag-racing din kami. Dito ko napatunayan na ang hirap mag-racing habang may hawak na phone. Nag-stroll kami after dito sa park nila and then we had our little game sa maze. And then we look at Manila Bay and other activities outside MOA. For our merienda, cravings ko naman yung nasunod which is potato corner and nag-enjoy lang ako. Going to our main event which is the archery. First time namin pareho at ang bigat pala niya tapos ang tigas pa ng string. In fairness kay Jello, almost all of his shots ay tumama dun sa mga bilog habang ako pumupunta pa sa iba't ibang lugar at bumabagsak ang pana. He even got the smallest target sa loob. Kita mo naman gano'n siya ka-proud oh. Tas ako, okay lang.
Basta, archery.
Anong kababalaghan naman to, MOA? Nag-stroll na lang kami after sa clothing shops baka sakaling may mabili. And that ends our first alphabet date. What do you think would be our next one? Let's see your guesses in the comments down below. Bye!